For environments which are under constant threat of damp conditions, such as swimming pools and older buildings, it can be wise to install a wall-mounted dehumidifier. Dehumidifiers UK have an extensive range of domestic and commercial wall-mounted fixed dehumidifiers with moisture extraction rates ranging from 8 to over 100 litres per day. Popular models include the Air DCW10 IPX2 rated wall-mountable bathroom dehumidifier, a 10-litre extraction dehumidifier with remote control, which is perfect for bathrooms and other small areas. For commercial needs, the Ebac Industrial Products WM150 30 litres per day wall-mountable commercial dehumidifier is a fantastic purchase. Suitable for storage areas and cellars, the Ebac features an electronic humidistat, condensate pump and ultra-low running costs. The Ebac is the perfect dehumidifier for keeping expensive cars, tools, machinery or small storage areas humidity-free. If you have any questions regarding wall-mounted dehumidifiers, please contact one of our friendly customer services representatives at Dehumidifiers UK.